Amen.
To you.
Okay, while Kevin takes a drink and loosens his throat up, the song we're getting ready to do, Kevin recorded, has that on the chart somewhere. And but there's a line, it's my favorite line. It's halfway through. I'll point to you when it gets to it, because you have to hear this line. Be a lighthouse on a sin-filled sea. So when it gets to that part, I'll point, because that's a great line.
Yeah.
1, 2. Y'all got a leak here somewhere.
You better get ready, get prayed up tight. You better get down to the Benny night. Gone is your playtime. You've got to seek him, you may find. So tell your neighbor and tell him too. Spread the gospel, the good news. Well, take a lost soul by the hand, and don't wait around for the day to end, 'cause he's coming. Well, back to judge this world, and he's looking for someone that'll do his will. Yeah, he's coming, so come on, get it right, and don't be looking back. Well, just get in a fight. How about the Rockin Country Church? Is it rocking tonight? In Jesus Christ. You better believe it, we're near the end. Hold on to Jesus, 'cause we win. The cross is empty, the tomb is too. Well, the Lord is risen, one thing's left to do. Put on your armor, we'll head to toe. Rise up and tell the world you love him so. If you're the only light they see, then be a lighthouse on a sin-filled sea, 'cause he's coming. Well, back to judge this world, and he's looking for someone that'll do his will. Yeah, he's coming, so come on, get it right, and don't be looking back. Well, just get in a fight. If you're not in the fight, get in the fight. We're in a battle here against Satan, and we're going to win. I read the end of the book. Just get in the fight. We're going to do one.